Hello, and welcome to the Tetra Science SIMPLO video series, where we'll explain how the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud can help you visualize chromatography data. Members of chromatography labs, including lab managers, technicians, and analysts, are often faced with issues that arise due to a lack of centralized and harmonized data. The Tetra Scientific Data Cloud addresses these issues by collecting your chromatography data into a single centralized location and engineering it into Tetra data. This contextualizes raw instrument output with sample, method, and instrument metadata and harmonizes the data into a vendor-agnostic format that is analytics and AI ready. With a SIMPLO dashboard powered by the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud, all of your chromatography data can be visualized, compared, and analyzed in a matter of minutes. In just a moment, you'll see examples of these visualizations that demonstrate how our SIMPLO dashboards can lead to faster and better scientific and business outcomes, such as reduced out-of-spec results, more accurate shelf life prediction, increased lab productivity, and lastly, increased compliance and reduced risk. The chromatography experts at Tetra Science have identified over a dozen functionally critical user stories and built dashboards to support them. In this video, we will briefly explore 6 of these dashboards, the context for their use, and the benefits provided to the user. In the System Usage tab, lab managers and purchasing decision makers can monitor the usage of any chromatography systems under their purview. The dashboard provides accurate, near real-time information that delivers a comprehensive view of fleet utilization and informs decisions for future capital expenditure. SIMPLO users can answer questions related to ongoing projects, deployed instruments, method sets, completed sample sets, and relevant column information, all in one dashboard. Metrics made available here for each system can include injection counts, relative utilization rates, project sharing, method sets used, and system runtimes. These utilization metrics are traditionally compiled from surrogate data sources such as informal or oral surveys of end users, individual instrument usage logs, and file counts of run reports. This results in wasted analyst time as well as unreliable data. Oftentimes, the information is not even collected due to these drawbacks. In contrast, the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud provides instantaneous access to accurate metrics, helping you make better decisions faster. In the Instrument Performance tab, analysts and lab technicians can expedite the process of evaluating system suitability, which typically requires data from multiple injections or even across multiple instruments. System suitability testing must be performed frequently on chromatography instruments to ensure that results are truly representative of the experiment performed and not negatively impacted by an undetected instrument problem, such as a failing pump, clogged needle, or leaky fitting. In many labs today, these tests are evaluated qualitatively and one at a time, often by opening a PDF or viewing raw chromatograms directly on the instrument control PC. Identifying trends in data collected this way typically requires significant effort. By contrast, SIMPLO users can visualize these trends quickly and effortlessly with instant access to many peak metrics such as retention time, area under the curve, peak width, tailing, symmetry factor, resolution, plate count, and many more, all of which can be plotted over time within the dashboard. Trend analytics within the SIMPLO dashboard help scientists and lab managers identify when instruments are trending out of spec before they become a problem or when they've already gone out of spec and need servicing. The Method Performance tab enables scientists to view assay results over time and pinpoint when instrument, column, and user changes affect assay performance. This is especially helpful in late-stage development and QC. The dashboard is designed to help scientists assess the diverse properties of chromatography assays and correlate them to common causes of performance drift. Thanks to the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud, the SIMPLO dashboard streamlines the analysis of key performance indicators, eliminating the need for labor-intensive manual cross-referencing. In the Stability tab, chromatography analysts can aggregate and visualize data relevant to the stability of drug products. Assessing the stability of drug products in various storage conditions is a crucial activity in the development and commercial manufacturing of pharmaceuticals. These test results may be recorded manually in spreadsheets, which is prone to transcription errors and risks losing context required for in-depth analysis of the data. In contrast, SIMPLO users can quickly visualize stability data for a drug product or other molecule. The dashboard plots each injection result and overlays trend lines to illustrate how a specific quality attribute aligns with the product's specifications. This analysis of stability data enables formulators and development scientists to shift their focus from data aggregation to deriving insights. In the column Utilization tab, chromatography scientists and lab technicians can easily track several factors that impact the shelf life of their chromatography columns. These include the instruments that use the column, instrument methods, users, and run times. This information is often not captured at all in chromatography labs. When it is, the data is typically entered into a physical logbook, which is often poorly kept. SIMPLO users can access and view this information quickly, allowing them to track the history of the column, eliminate paper logs, and minimize pre-run testing of a column. In the Compliance tab, quality control and quality assurance teams can monitor various compliance metrics to ensure adherence to best practices. SIMPLO users can quickly see whether a sample has been injected multiple times, if its results have been reprocessed using non-standard parameters, or if any peaks identified by the software have undergone manual peak integration. By proactively tracking this information, compliance specialists can make data-driven decisions for risk management. This can prevent deviations and reduce investigations. This type of preventive action is rare in practice, as it often takes an out-of-specification event, followed by a long investigation, to uncover issues such as poor lab practice or poor adherence to operating procedures. With multiple dashboards in one application, SIMPLO empowers chromatography analysts to quickly and easily query their data, leading to faster and better scientific outcomes. That concludes this demonstration of the Tetra Science SIMPLO dashboards. Please email demo@tetrascience.com if you have any questions or would like to schedule a live demonstration. Thanks for watching.